सुप्रीम कोर्ट तक मसला क्लियर हो चुका है। सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने उसके बाल की खाल उधेड़ करके सारी चीजें निकाल करके रख दी है। फ्रांस के राष्ट्रपति जी ने बयान दे दिया है, भारत के प्रधानमंत्री ने बयान दे दिया है।
The Rafale jets deal between India and France is again making headlines after a French judge recently ordered a judicial probe into the 59,000 crore rupees deal. Now, what is this investigation for? The investigation or the probe will look into the alleged corruption charges in the 2016 deal for 36 Rafale fighter aircrafts. There are a lot of details, a lot of developments in this story, so let's take you through a timeline of this entire deal. In 2011, the Indian Air Force announced the models that meets its specifications to upgrade to multi-role combat aircraft and named the Rafale. A year later, in 2012, Dassault Aviation, an aircraft manufacturing company in France, was the winner with the lowest bid. In July 2014, the French government pushed for the Rafale deal with India. At the time, the bid was for 126 aircrafts. Then in December 2014, both governments discussed the pricing and other details. In January 2015, the then Indian Defence Minister Manohar Parrikar said that there are serious problems in negotiations. A month later, in February 2015, the Ministry of Defence announced the deal as effectively dead. Then, Prime Minister Narendra Modi visited France in April 2015. On 10th of April, both countries announced a deal for 36 aircrafts in flyaway condition. In October 2016, businessmen Anil Ambani's Reliance Defence and Dassault Aviation announced a joint venture. The Indian government signed a 59,000 crore rupees deal with France Dassault Aviation to procure 36 Rafale fighter jets in September 2016. Towards the end of 2018, in December, the Supreme Court of India dismissed petition seeking an investigation into the alleged irregularities in Rafale deal. In February 2019, a new report claimed that the Defence Ministry objected to PMO's parallel negotiations with France in 2015. In November 2019, a Supreme Court bench comprising of Chief Justice Ranjan Gogoi rejected petition seeking a review of a 2018 decision that gave a clean chit to the government in the Rafale deal. Cut to July 2020, 5 twin-engine Rafales arrived in India. The remaining 26 jets are expected to be delivered by 2021 end, which is the end of this year. The controversial Rafale deal was back in the news in April 2021 when Mediapart journalist Jan Philippine reported on the deal. Mediapart cited an investigation by the French anti-corruption agency to report that Dassault Aviation paid an Indian middleman around 1 million euros to cut the deal, a charge that was rejected by the company. The logical Indian spoke to Jan Philippine, and this is what he had to say.
And the real question raised by our investigation in India is that the Indian Enforcement Directorate has these documents for almost 2 years. I must remind you that these documents come from a case file of the Enforcement Directorate. Yeah. So the question is, what did they do with this information? And apparently there's been no visible sign that they opened a probe about this. And I really would like them to answer and to tell the Indian people what they did with this information and if they plan or if they did open an investigation or not.
In June 2021 this year, a formal investigation was initiated by France's National Financial Prosecutor's Office into the Rafale jet deal after allegations of wrongdoings emerged in March, and a complaint was filed by French anti-corruption NGO. On 3rd of July this year, a French judge ordered a judicial probe into the 59,000 crore rupees deal. France is investigating what it calls corruption, influence peddling, money laundering and favoritism in the Rafale deal, but India has not ordered any probe or investigation despite growing clamour from the opposition and other sections of the society. Meanwhile, the opposition in India is building pressure on the ruling BJP government to order a joint parliamentary committee investigation into the Rafale deal. The Congress has alleged that the government was procuring each aircraft at a cost of about 1,600 crore rupees as against 520 crore rupees, finalized by the UPA government. The Congress party said that national security is only a slogan for the central government and that it is downright insulting to the people of India that this government and its ministers have stayed tight-lipped about this entire scandal. The government, however, has denied irregularities or corruption in this controversial Rafale deal. The BJP government has time and again cited a report by the Comptroller and Auditor General and also the Supreme Court verdict, both of which had found nothing wrong in the defense deal between India and France, to reject the allegations of the Congress.